Welcome to IGCSE Biology by Dr. Adam. In this video, we will learn how to deal with the alternative to practical component, paper 6. So, what do we need to know? Questions are designed to test your experimental and practical skills. This paper is weighted as 20% of your final total mark. Questions are varied and could be any of the following. The examiner may ask you to do one of the following. Interpretation and evaluate observation and experimental data. Look at this question, for example. Completing tables of data and also data processing. Look at this question, for example. You may use a calculator. You have to write down and show your working. And do not forget to record your answer. Plotting graphs and interpretation for graphical information. You have to be careful with your plotting, and you will be granted a mark for each of the following. Your plotting must be done in only one of these methods. And never forget to label your axes with suitable unit. Describe, explain, or comment on experimental arrangements and techniques. Here is how we answer. Identify sources of error and suggest possible improvements. Here is an example. And this is how we answer. Planning an experiment or investigation, including making reasoned predictions of expected results and suggesting suitable apparatus and even techniques. Here is how we answer. And for safety, you can always write one of the following. And this is another example. Here is how we answer. Record readings from diagrams of apparatus. Look at this question, for example. Here is how we answer. And do not forget to record your answer. It's very important to be able to distinguish variables in any experiment. Or and why exactly we would use control? To be able to compare the end results. Here is an example. Making a line drawing, labeling, and calculating magnification. Look at this question, for example. You must draw it larger. Draw the requested extra detail with the labels on. And to calculate magnification, you will need to find the length of the image and divide it by the actual length. The actual length could be either given in the question, or you can measure it using a ruler. Here is an example. First, you will draw the larger image. Then start taking your measures. This would be the actual, and that would be the image. Write down your measurements, then start your calculation. And always use the same units. Remember, magnification has no units. Calculating surface area. Here is an example. First, determine the area of single square. Then, start counting. And do not forget to record your answer. Or definitely wish you all the best. Feel free to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.